Hello mga Igala! Welcome to another episode of Modern Igala. Today, asang tapadulong Claire.
Nasa ibang mga restaurant somewhere sa Nazareth. Actually, hindi siya natupon. That's why I wanted to go to find out.
Gutom.
Wait lang, kuya. Wait lang, kuya.
So where are we now?
Parang disappointed. So, Prado!
Wow! This is special ito po! Rest of spring!
When your waves explode, escape the undertow. Know that you've been broken.